Hello, lovely people. So once again, welcome back to my channel. Greeting goes to everybody, whatever you find yourself at the four corners of the world. So I know you are doing great. Whatever you are, making a transition from whatever you are into Ghana. So it's really pleasure. So we are currently taking a project on the 5 bedroom story building. Quite unfortunate. We didn't start from the beginning. We started on the first floor to the end of the story building. So taking it from here, we have a challenge on the old electrician, started from the grounds here, a challenge. But I think we are here to make things right. We are here to at least to apply our knowledge. I'm near here to condemn any electrician. I'm the same actism, electrician, the same type plumber as well. So in this house, you can see we have totally have a major problem. That is why sometimes going to the people's side, their work, when they give it to you, the charge is going to be a different way, because sometimes you will face a major problems that you cannot address with the client. You just have to make sure that you correct them. Okay, in this half, for instance, they have a major problems. I'm going to address you. That wasn't the main issues that we are here. If you're new here, don't hesitate to hit the notification bell. Anytime that I upload the video, educational video, you'll be notified on your phone directly. Thank you. Okay, as you can see on the top of the roof, we have clipped the 20 mm conduit pipes. We have clipped them. The reason why you see these pipes is that the old electrician, he do a piping work for the flow. What you have see it in the tape there, on the flow, all the piping work is totally blocked. So we decided to lay the pipe on the top of the roof to let it to get away to do a second phase of the electrical work, which is considering by a domestic installation or domestic wiring. So in another problem where you located the CTV side too, it's a lot of problems. So we also dislocate it to the different form. As you can see it on your screen, let me get close to it. Here is a switch, AC switch, and the downs there is a socket power point. You see, he do his piping work that he's going to take some of the socket power point, go to the switch to serve the air condition. There is no any rules near govern that you can take some power point from the socket to save your air condition. It means when you lose that power point, your air condition is you have completely lost your air condition. In another maintenance problem is consumer unit. He bought a four-way, so four-way cannot suit this house. So we also change it with the 18 distribution board. Let it go there and let me show you why we are going electrical to see our electrical work and center plumbing work as well. As you can see it, 18 distribution board, one of the best box in Ghana so far, one of the best distribution board in Ghana so far. So in here, right here, is a kitchen for this house. It's a 5 bedroom, fully. The architectural plan is on point. Everything. I love the designing. So as you can see, our plumbing work too at the middle of the kitchen here is going to be a massive. I love that. In the right, what we are looking, my left hand side is a storeroom. So we will go there and check if something is there. Okay. Now nothing is there really. Nothing is there really. Okay. In this house, let me give you a little quick notes about this house, what we are going to do. In this house, this is a first bedroom. As you can see, on what I'm facing is a TV area. Here is a TV area when you'll be having your internet connections and the antennas connections, everything in the TV area. And my right hand side, I have a bed lighting tool when you can control your air condition, your power point for charging your phone, and at the same time your sports light and intermediate switch as well. When you're talking about the intermediate, it means that you don't have to wake up from your bed, walk away from your bed to the entrance before you can turn your light on. You will be on your bed, relaxing on your bed, control entire system lighting when you are in the bed, including the ceiling fans, if you want the ceiling fan or the air condition as well. So here is the washroom. As you can see, a PowerPoint must provide for the basin neatly, very, very on point. And here we are going to do a glass cubicle, a glass cubicle. Okay, let it go to the first floor and see what is there. Okay, in this house, it comes with a lot of things. Some of the places we have to install the emotional sensor lighting, because that place, people are not going to live there, but rather they will go there. Sometimes they will go there. So there is no way to install the lighting. Maybe someone will feel to turn the light off, and the light will be there, wasting your electricity. So we wanted to minimizing a cost in this house. So some of the places to be emotional sensor. So the moment that we walk in there, the light come out. Walk out outside, and the light would completely go off directly. In this house, we are going to make a provision for three major things. We have utility power, we have the generator power, and at the same time, solar system as well. That was the actual plans when they sent it to me on my email. So that is what they give it to me. But I'm going to change certain things. Utility power means what? Here is a master bedroom area. As you can see, everything, all the entire room has make a new provisions. You can't be on your room, walk away from your bed to other entrance to switch your lighting. No, you control every entire thing, including the PowerPoint to charge your phones and everything. You can control when you are in your bed. Really good. You having also a bed PowerPoint. You can put your bedside light there. Everything is there. Okay, back to the main issues. Okay, this house have a three provision. The utility means ECG supply, ECG supply power, and the generator provision, and at the same time solar panel as well. That was what the client have sent to me, and I say no. Considering some of the factors about me being visit some of the companies, considering their quotation of how much is it going to cost us, because all the entire load in this house is at 12,000 watts. 12,000 watts. So approximately, if you make a calculation, you get 12 kilowatts. A 12 kilowatts load, or the entire house, you get a 12 kilowatts load, or the entire house. Okay, going to see the solar panels system, visit two companies to see their charging. Their quotation was really bad. It's not it's really bad. No, it's just when I check, the price was up, a little bit up. So for me, I was thinking that I will invest on UPS. What is UPS means? UPS means uninterrupting power supply, and at the same time using lithium ion battery to support it, so that I want the power to be here constantly at any time. A moment that the UPS, what it used to do is that a moment that you have a UPS in your home, when the ECG go off, it completely take a power. With a short seconds, it take a power. So anytime you have a constant power in your house. So that is it. So what I'm going to do is that to buy a solar panel, I make myself a calculation. So I'll buy the UPS, use the lithium ion battery to support it for this home, just only this home, because of the loading system. That is why I'm doing it like that. But some of my project, we are using the solar panels as well. Okay, in this house, there is a lot coming in. The lighting, designing, everything. And those who doesn't know the UPS, this is what you see is on your screen. There's a UPS there on your screen, using the lithium ion battery to support it. As you can see, our plumbing work. Here is a toilet. As you can see, basin side, make a provision for shaving. Everything is on point. Okay. If in my next video, we are going to talk about some of the company that they mix when it comes to the solar. So please, if you wanted to make a transition to Ghana here, if you attempt to build, please try to deal with a good company, because in Ghana, things is really getting out of hands. We are going to the last floor when you'll be having a relaxing places. All over here, there is a lighting system. All over here is a lighting system. So this is the end of the tour. In the next video, we will try your best to talk about the company. Some of the company that even when they accept your offer, the moment that you have maintenance, you will call them several times. They will not show off. So please try your personal best to deal with that. Thank you very much for a little quick tour. I'm sure that it's very useful to you. You really enjoy it. You see me on the next time. Let us make Africa home again, one family at a time. I love you. So I will see you next time. Here is the Polytank area. I will see you next time.